Hey guys, it's me again. It's the Dilly Dog, and this is part 2 of our video. We just got out of that creek right there. If you haven't watched part 2, if you haven't watched part 1, do so as soon as you start this one. If you don't put down that stick, too, I'm gonna take a stick and hit him in the balls. Yo, stop! So, if you go far enough in these woods, you'll find a road. We always find a road. We always do. In this woods, at least, in these woods. This week, I'm going to take you down a little bit. There's this really deep creek. Yeah, there's this really deep part. So we're going to go down this road just for a little bit. We'll be there soon. It's right up here somewhere. Yep. Hey, what time is it? Oh, okay. Where is it? It's right up there. There's see that, like, flat pot? That's where it is. Get away. See that stick that is right in front of you that says flat pot? That's where it is. And Tyler just spit on himself. No, I didn't. I just stood on the ground. That was fun. It gets to you when you're in the woods long enough. So, like I told you guys on the other video, that I only have a limited 15 minutes. Nah, it's right up here. Okay, guys, get out of the camera shot. Hey, we gotta follow him. He wants to show him, so we are. Here's the real nice pond. We're not gonna step in it yet, cause it's really nice. See it?
Looks like a hot tub.
See it? Really nice. Yeah, I've done. See, you remember the bubbles?
Yeah.
The bubbles. Oh, those are popping bubbles. I'm gonna go see how deep it is, alright? Hold the camera. I don't want to drop it in the water. Keegan, get out on that land. Here's Tyler getting in the creek. Oh, Jack, it's down my boot. It's down my boot. Ah, it's infecting me. It's down his boot.
Oh, Jack, it's cold.
He's really cold. He has snot on the camera.
I don't have snot on the camera.
Spit.
Here's spit.
Here's Dylan trying to get in. He's being dumb.
Dude, if I can't make it in, you can't make it in.
Why?
My boots are higher than yours.
I'm in already.
Yeah, but you didn't go down there.
This is how deep it is. It's really deep.
Really deep.
There's a crack in your shoe, so I'm getting, my socks are wet now.
My socks are wet. My sock is wet.
And right here's like a stream where the water comes out. We're going to give it back to Tyler.
As soon as I get out of this.
Yep. But let's hope he doesn't fall in it again. Yeah. That kind of stinks.
So we're going to go down the stream?
No, we're not. We're going to go up here.
Then we're going to walk up the...
And then we're gonna show you this other little thing over here. There's another creek. It's not as good.
All
right, let's go up here, Dale.
Guys, there's another creek over there. It's a big one. Up here. Let's go.
Okay, we're gonna show you the other side of the creek.
Let's go. Cool.
Here it is. Let's go. Here, it's not as deep. It's good, just enough.
And right in here,
like if you look down there, you'll see the creek that we just went in.
Here.
So, Keeg, watch out.
Here.
Watch out. Ow! Briar! Let me get some feet.
Well, I'll go again.
No, you're not.
Why?
Okay, see let me zoom in.
Get out!
If you can see that, then that's where we just were.
Alright.
Retard! Nah. He's not a retard. He's just awesome. He's awesome at video games. He's just not that much smarter than out in the woods. And, alright, we're going to give Dylan a camera, because he hasn't held the camera one time. And we're just... What?
And we're going to walk up here
No, we're gonna walk down here. Down here. Yeah. I know where the other creek is, guys. We're gonna walk down here, see if there's any more creeks. There's one. I saw one. Then, if you watch any more episodes, we're gonna do hunting and fishing video too. Not that one. You already said that. Maybe at night we can go down here and go crawling and see if there's any frogs. And we might make some nice videos too. I have how many nice videos do I have? I don't know. But and there's some nice videos on it too. We're kind of new on YouTube. Yeah. Jeez, you're new. What? You're new too. You only got 4 videos. Yeah. You only got 2. Chill. Like, what are you talking? Alright, so. Right here, Ty. Rivel. Ow! Ow! What are you getting? Here's little sissy fighting. Hey, he grabbed the back of my neck. Sorry, guys, if he was pointing on the ground just like this the whole time. No, it wasn't. Yeah. Guys, when you guys were pointing on the ground, like pointing on the ground like that, that was because he don't care about my videos. No. And we don't care about his videos either. What's this? Okay, so we're gonna get out of here. We're gonna go as soon as we find a way in. There's one here, but we just don't know where it is right now because we lost. It's right up here. Okay, there's going to be a part 3 to this, and I'm going to end the video now. Alright, see you guys. See ya.